Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. This is an insight into the Odu Ifa Owonrin Meji. In this video, I will be sharing with you what you need to know about this Odu Ifa. First of all, what does Owonrin means? The word Owonrin is from the word Owon in Yoruba language. Thus, Owon in Yoruba language means scarcity. Scarcity of whatever you can think of, which the consultation with your Babalawo should reveal. The job of an Ifa Priest, known as Babalawo, is to seek on your behalf with the Ifa Divination system. It is a known fact that necessity is the mother of invention. The Odu Ifa Owonrin Meji takes the 6th position in the order of 16 major Odu Ifa. As it is revealed in this Odu, Ifa teaches that whatever you are lacking to achieve can be gotten through Ifa consultation. Also, whatever is scarce from Orun, that is, from Olodumare, known as God, can be gotten with the consultation of Ifa after all the necessary labor, that is, sacrifices, are done. It is with the Ifa Divination system, necessary follow-up rituals, and labor, that whatever you are looking for can be provided. Owonrin Meji talks about pregnancy according to some stanzas of this Odu. It talks about a couple in a need of a child. These stanzas says that Owonrin Meji, Ifa says, vegetable and other ingredients make soup as it should be done. This cast Ifa for Oseregbo. Oseregbo was asked what was wrong for making soup with oyigi every day. Oseregbo says, I need a child. Then Oseregbo was asked to do ebo in order to be conceived and have a child. Oseregbo heeded what Ifa said, and the promise of Ifa came to pass. In another stanza of this Odu, Ifa says, Owon, that is, the scarcity of money, demands for an alternative means. Owon, that is, the scarcity of water, makes one to fetch some dripping water. These stanzas briefly talks about when a commodity is a necessity but scarce. Owonrin Meji teaches that you should seek for what is a necessity in your life, and it will bring abundant blessings into your life. This Odu takes the image of seeing your destiny and accomplishing it regardless of whatever might suddenly want to disrupt it. In this Odu, it reveals that if I foresee the blessings of great profit over your life endeavors, but sacrifice is needed, which will be prescribed by your Ifa Priest who reveals this Odu to you. And also, Ifa says whoever this Odu is revealed to can go into farming or business, as this person's destiny is compatible with these two works from heaven. This is according to some stanzas in this Odu as well, which says, the priest of Okewu cast Ifa for Okewu, the one who will become rich from farming. He was advised to offer sacrifice, and he heeded. Therefore, all the crops of Okewu germinated largely. He then sold them and made a lot of money. Okewu became rich as he was happy, then began to dance and rejoice. He then started praising the Ifa Priest. The Ifa Priest praises Ifa, while Ifa praises Olodumare, that is God. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.